Now class 9th. Class 9th. Subject biology. So today we are going to start a new lesson, that is the natural resources. Natural resources. Natural resources. We are starting this lesson. So the question is, what are natural resources? Before starting this lesson, our Earth is the only planet having life and a variety of the natural resources. So the resources provided by nature are called natural resources. So the resources provided by nature are called natural resources. Natural resources. There is a long list of the natural resources. As examples of some natural resources as air, water, minerals, plants, animals, etc. These are the natural resources provided by the nature without any cost are called as natural resources. What thing we see around us that is made by nature are called as the natural resources. We are also the natural resources. So, and now question arises that where natural resources present. So, natural resources. Natural resources are present in, where these are present, natural resources are present in, one is soil, land, that is called lithosphere. One is lithosphere. One is air. And this is the atmosphere. It is also called as the atmosphere. And next one is the water. That is hydrosphere. And fourth is plants and animals. Plants and animals. We can use the term as biosphere. These are the places where natural resources are present. One is soil or land as the lithosphere, air that is atmosphere, water that is hydrosphere, and the plants and animals that include the biosphere. So we have to discuss a little about the lithosphere. So one is the lithosphere. Lithosphere. This is the crust or layer of the soil, layer of the earth. The outer crust. This is the outer crust. Outer crust or layer of the earth that makes the lithosphere. This layer contains the soil having the minerals that is storehouse of the nutrients in which plants and animals are found. Many plants utilize the nutrients, absorb the nutrients with the help of their roots, and others nutrients are also available in the lithosphere. There is a variety of the soil, and we will discuss in detail about the kinds of the soil, soil texture, soil profile, etc. etc. These are in detail we have to study. Here, suppose this is the earth. Suppose this is earth. This is earth, and here this make the outermost layer. This layer, this is the lithosphere. The outermost layer called as soil crust. This makes the lithosphere. Lithosphere, in which plants grow and the animals can live. And this is the litho. And after that, air. There is the next one is the air. And air, this is it is a layer of the air. This is the atmosphere. This is the atmosphere, and this atmosphere contains the gases. If we see the structure of the atmosphere or the constituents of the atmosphere, that is a layer of the gases. That is a layer of the gases around the earth. This makes the atmosphere. It is second one is the atmosphere. This is the layer of the gases. If we see the structure of the or the constituents of the gases, we see here in the atmosphere that having the different proportions of the different gases, and here main constituents of gas is this is nitrogen, this is nitrogen, and this one is oxygen. Nitrogen is nearly the 78%. It is nearly 78%, and it is nearly the 21%, nearly 21%. And other gases are also found, and other gases like this makes this proportion a little 78. This one is the, and the oxygen 21%, and other gases, this makes other gases like carbon dioxide, helium, carbon dioxide, helium, and argon, water vapor, etc. These, so nitrogen is the main constituents of the air, that is the oxygen, and other gases like carbon dioxide, helium, neon, krypton, argon, water vapors, etc., etc. So this is the about the constituents that they makes a blanket around the earth. They play a very important role in making a constant temperature, and there are these gases. Nitrogen and oxygen is meant for the respiration. Carbon dioxide is used during the process of the photosynthesis. So nitrogen makes an important components of our the body, that is the proteins, and other gases are also. So after that, this is the atmosphere, and third one is the hydrosphere. Next one, the hydrosphere. This is the layer, they may contain the water, it is contains the water. This is the area of the land. Some area of the land contains the water, and this water area makes the hydrosphere. They play a very important role. The hydrosphere, lithosphere, and the atmosphere, they constitutes the biosphere. They constitute the biosphere. They constitute the biosphere. Biosphere. Biosphere includes lithosphere, atmosphere, and the hydrosphere. It makes the biosphere. and that includes both biotic and abiotic components. Biosphere includes both biotic and the abiotic components. Biotic components mean the living components, that includes plants and animals, while non-living components are the abiotic components, that it has both. One is abiotic components and second one the biotic components. Biotic components. Abiotic components mean non-living components, that includes water, air, temperature, humidity, minerals, etc. etc. While living components or biotic components are living components, that includes plants and the animals. There is an interaction in between the living and the non-living components. So next time we will discuss in detail about the atmosphere. Thank you. That's what today only.